Hey UW-Stout, we need help cutting down our waste.
You may have noticed our waste collection stations in our campus buildings. These stations have 3 bins for sorting your waste. Organics for compost, no-sort recycling, and trash for landfill.
Recycling and composting in the residence halls is slightly different. You can deposit your compostable materials and recyclables in the recycling and composting collection centers on your floor, and your trash can be taken outside to the trash dumpsters near your residence hall.
Now let's dive into each of these waste streams.
We're actually the only UW university to offer campus-wide organic waste collection, and we're proud of this. Every single time you place organic waste into our compost bins, you're helping to divert waste from the landfill and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Plus, this waste is broken down into compost, a natural fertilizer for plants. So what can we compost at UW-Stout? All food waste, meat, cheese, eggs, bread, vegetables, fruit, chips. Seriously, all food waste. To-go containers and wrappers from food made by university dining? Absolutely! They even have compost me and compostable messaging on these products. Napkins, utensils, and straws. Paper towels, even from campus restrooms. And, of course, pizza boxes.
When we started our composting program in 2011, we collected a total of 129,843 pounds of organics. Since that time, we have tripled our organics. That's around 300,000 pounds composted each year. At UW-Stout, we also have no-sort recycling, so you can recycle all of your recyclable materials in one bin. Recycle items like paper, office paper, newspaper, and junk mail, even envelopes with clear windows. Plastics number 1, 2, and 5. Beverage bottles, milk jugs, laundry detergent. Just check the bottom of the plastic to see which number it is. Glass of any color, aluminum, tin, steel, or other metals, cardboard, including cardboard from frozen meals or soda can boxes.
In 2013, we collected 80,006 pounds of recyclables. Now we recycle more than 200,000 pounds each year.
If you want to recycle plastic bags or batteries, just go to the front desk of your residence hall and they should be able to help.
Wait, so what even goes into a trash bin? The answer is simply anything that can't be recycled or composted. And honestly, this isn't much. Items like plastics 3, 4, 6, and 7, gum, chip bags, candy wrappers, hygiene products, and facial tissues definitely need to be landfilled.
Each year, we have a Recycle Mania tournament, an 8-week-long waste reduction competition between universities in the US and Canada. In 2011, before we started collecting organics for compost campus-wide, we placed 171st out of 288 schools. After we started collecting compost, we've regularly placed in the top 20 to the top 40 in the competition.
We're doing such a great job, but we still have a lot more trash than recycling or compost. Each year, our campus produces more than 600,000 pounds of trash, much of which can be composted or recycled.
Sometimes people put items into compost or recycling bins that don't belong. This contaminates the bins, and when contamination is bad, we may need to remove entire bags of compost or recycling and send them to the landfill. So we ask that you get to know what can be composted or recycled to avoid contamination. And if you don't know which bin to use, place it in the trash. You can always ask us to learn the correct bin for next time. Take a picture of the item and email recycle@uwstout.edu or message us on Instagram or Facebook at Sustainable Stout. We'll let you know where the item goes.
So now you know how to compost and recycle properly at UW-Stout. Together, we can make a massive difference.